Get it. Let's get it. The GoPro.
A GoPro?
Yeah. Let me get you one, my boy. Get you some of that vlogging in. They gonna have to pay me. I use them so much.
Right.
Yeah. They gonna have to pay us. So hey. I guess there's a lot of us, so we about to get on this green one. I guess if we wasn't a lot of us, we was gonna have to get on that one. That's how they did on that one boat. Played or some shit. We got some action. Got some action. Yeah. Miami, my boy. What's wrong with them?
Because they keep staring at them.
Let's keep on recording. Let me start recording them then. I thought you was about to be somebody else. Florida, they got some homeless people, but they ain't got a lot like California though, boy. Atlanta got some too. Damn, somebody. She trying to match me and shit. Match the drip. Motherfucker, boy. This hurricane, this Thriller Miami hurricane. We about to see what this is about, y'all. About to see what it's about. Good. What are you sitting up? Oh, they made it that we ain't gonna sit together? That's crazy as that. Go. Oh, you gotta put it through here? Uh-oh.
You guys, it gets really windy in here, so be careful with your stuff. Your hats, your sunglasses, your mask if you're wearing a mask, and girls, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Watch out with those eyelashes, because they're gonna fly right off too. I was trying to say funny things, you guys, it's all for fun. We have a great time, we're all about love. Say hi to people in the slumber, they just came back from their sleep. They just woke up. Okay, you guys, so that's about it. I just want to share one last thing with you guys. Not hiding from me, I'm going to show you my face. Here you guys in the front. I'm not hiding from you. The doctor told me I'm in the wind, in the salt, in the sun all day. I got to take care of my face while I listen to what the doctor says, you guys. I'm not hiding from you guys. Just wanted to share that with you. And one last thing, are you guys ready to have fun? How many people do we got on the boat from New York? Anybody from New York? New York is in the house. Look at that. California. How about Colorado? All right. A last one, North Carolina. I'm saying the most popular. North Carolina? I knew it. Okay, so far the winner of the day has been Florida. How many people from Florida? All right. Number one, you guys rock. Let's go. Believe quickly, I just want to tell you, this time of the season, and especially at this time, we see dolphin quite often. I can't guarantee 100%, but keep your eyes open on the surface of the water. Might get like a shifty dolphin. We saw them on our last tours we were heading in. We see them around here, this Bay area, and around the islands of which are famous. Here we go, guys. Let's go. We do get one sometimes, so be careful with this stuff, you guys. So the authorities still think she was evicted off the island. He actually thought it was cool. And now we got this property with all these tall coconut palms, Gloria and Emilio Estefan. If you look closely, you'll see two separate mansions. What's the secret to their successful marriage? What do you think? Gloria lives on the right, Emilio on the left. It works. I'm just kidding. One of those on the right is a recording studio. They live in a house on the left. And this is one of my favorites, this custom built out of coral rock mansion right here. Used to belong to Jackie Gleason from the Honeymooners. Today it belongs to an events company that have huge parties, especially New Year's Eve. Hundreds of people on the property waiting for 12 o'clock midnight, and one of the larger fireworks displays in South Florida.
Everything cool? You guys had fun?
We off the boat, off the Hurricane. I ain't got that much battery, memory life, so.
You came out here.
Check us out, check us out, check us out. Alright, y'all, we about to end this shit.
Hey, y'all.
We enjoyed ourselves, so
Yeah, this was a good one.
we'll get at y'all later next time. Like, subscribe, share, all of that. Gang.